If basically you're not involved in light miner, this is an opportunity for you to start mining right now because by next month we're expecting a launch and we are all going to be actually pulling at something. So I'm going to teach you guys how to basically get your account registered and at least you can start something right now. The process of your mining on this particular project is very simple, and what you basically just need to do is for you to have OKS wallet, you have a good phone, a good internet connectivity, and you're good to go. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, all right, do make sure to subscribe, drop a like on this particular video, and also comment down below. What I'm going to do right now is just to head over straight to my mobile phone, put you guys through every single steps that are going to be required, and we'll start mining. All right. It's a simple process for you to basically make use of this particular light mining airdrop. Now, I've been able to access every single thing with this particular miner, and like I told you guys, you need to download OKS wallet. Now if you download OKS wallet, all right, I'm going to show you guys what to basically do. But first of all, let me start my miner. All right, so I'm going to click right here to start my miner, because for you to automatically start your miner, here's what you're going to be doing. So the miner gets to shut down in 24 hours. Now let me step out of here so that I can put you guys through every single thing. Once you come over straight into your own OKX wallet, all right, the next important thing that you basically just need to do is for you to head over straight to your discover icon right here. You don't even need to pay the funds. This is a new account, all right? So you come to where they say discovered right down here. Once you click on this discover, the next thing you have to do is to click on this section where they say search the apps and enter a URL. So once you click on this icon, you're basically just going to be able to copy the link of this airdrop from the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video, you're going to be seeing the link right there. Copy the link right from there, then you come over to this spot and then you paste it up. Now once you paste it up, you're automatically going to be able to log in straight up into your own account. All right, so since I have my account already running, so let me log in straight up into my own account right now. So since I have my own personal account running, you're going to see right here that my wallet is automatically connected. Now if you come in for the very first time, you need to connect your wallet. All right, so you can see right here that the wallet is connected, and once you connect your wallet, you scroll down a little bit right over here. Before you start your miner, you're going to see a section where they say you have to bind or connect to X, which is Twitter. Now by connecting to Twitter, it's going to allow you to start mining. So you have to connect to Twitter, log into your Twitter account, and then you access the authorization, then you can start mining. That's the first process that I just click on start mining right from the starting of this video just now. So you can automatically start your mining in few minutes, and at the end of 24 hours you're getting your mine for a certain period of time. So the amount you're going to be mined, this is the total amount you get mined, and you can see right here, if you scroll down a little bit, all right, you earn more commissions, all right, from referring people on this particular miner. Since it's 100% free, you're not paying for anything. All right, I hope referring people shouldn't be an issue for you. So if you want to basically earn more, you have to come down to the referral section and you click on this copy referral link, where you basically get to share this with your friends. Now the total amount of refer people are going to be showing, and also the points you are going to be earning for each person you're referring is going to be showing. So that's about 8% from friend activities, and also you get over 500 points from referring people. Right, so that is something you basically get to work on. All right, now if you scroll up a little bit, there's also some tags which are going to be provided. So these are social media tags which you can focus on to generate more points. So on this session, you just have to basically verify your X. All right, so you get more 500 points, and you have to join them on Discord, you get more 500 points. If you basically want to join them on Telegram group or bind the Telegram group, you also get 500 points. And you can see all these keep on going down right here. Now you can complete your human verifications, get this done, and you aim these points straight up into your account. Now if you scroll down a little bit, there's another social media engagement tax which is still provided. You like a tweet, you retweet a tweet, and you can see comment on a tweet, you are earning over 60 points. So this is something you can basically focus on. Now if you have any questions about light mining, all right, so you can see right here, these are frequently asked questions, which is FAQ. frequently asked questions. So you can see right here, these are questions. So what is light mining, how to participate in light mining, and also what mining points. All right, so what is mining points? And you can see right here is Taker Dex safe, is Taker Dex bridge safe, which you can basically see every single information right over here. You can go through all these, get a full knowledge of every single thing, and start your own right now. Now, this is something that I want to share with you guys because 100% is free. You are not paying for anything, and you are just doing this with a new account. If you basically want to start, you're doing this with a new account. You don't need to deposit any money into your account before you start. So it works perfectly and it's good, and you can basically give it a try. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this is educational enough for you, make sure to drop a like. Let me know in the comment section what's your thought, and I hope this video brings something to you. All right, wish you guys all the best and stay blessed.